akong responsibilidad
Fifth, pagdawat sa akong responsibilidad.
isip imong asawa
Isip imong asawa.
nagasaad ako
Nagasaan ako.
na magtinabangay kita
Na magtinabangay kita.
magtinahod
Nahon.
magampinganay
Mag-ampinganay.
o pagpabilin magubad sa tanang panahon
O pagpagubal sa tanang panahon.
o ay kuan mga aras sa bulsa atong may aras so atubang na mo sa ako dili na mo atubang sa inyo ang mga inyo nang nabumog ang pagkatulad ng inyong mga saad nanungo sa kapag-usap matubagan sa inyong mga pamilya mga saksi hinang uminom ug sa tanang mitambong karong adlaw inyong ipahayag ang inyong kagustuhan nga mahimong magtiayon usa pinaagi o tungod sa gahom nga gitugyan kanako isip mayor o sulugnaising officer diri sa lungsod sa Braulio Iduhali, Davao del Norte, sumala sa Batakang Balaod. Niini ang Republika sa Pilipinas, ako kamo mideklara na ako karon legal lang na managtiayon. Gikan karong adlaw kamo magpadayon sa inyong kinabuhi isip bana o asawa. Mga adunay gugma, pagsalig, pagtahod, pagtinabangay o pagkamatinud-anon sa usag-usag. Hinaot ang inyong kaminyoon, mahimong malig-on o pundasyon nga malinawon, magpanibayo, panalangin sa pamilya, ug labaw sa tanan. Hinaot nga ang Diyos kanunay nagagiya sa inyong desisyon. Muhatag kaninyo og usog sa panahon sa pagsulay o padayon sa panalangin sa atong panalangin sa inyong panaghiusap. Congratulations sa inyong kaminyoon. Palihog lingkod ang tanan. Pinumdumi ang imong sa matag higayon nga aduna kay kalipay ipaambit kini sa usag-usag sa mga adlaw na imong pagmata hinumdumi nga kamo adunay kapikas nga inyong gisaad kauban sa kinabuhi sa ngalan sa komunidad ug sa lugar nga kapagamanan ipayad ko kamong tanan. So congratulations sa 32 ka bag-ong kinasal. Palihog tindog ang tanan mga kinasal. Atubang sa mga delikadan, mga saksi, pamilya, ninong o ninang, o sa tanang aniya karon. Ipakita kanamo ang pinakamatamis na pahilog. Isip imahan sa inyong kalipay niining espesyal na adlaw. So, kiss the bride.
Thank you so much to our solemnization officer, no less than our municipal mayor, Honorable Margarita Y. Rubinos.
Congratulations to our newly married couples. May the promises you have made today remain in your hearts, not only for this special occasion, but throughout your married life. Let us give them, our newlyweds, a well-deserved round of applause, please.
And requesting our dear municipal mayor to please proceed here upstairs for now to prepare the decoradan para sa inyong mayor. And later we will have the ceremonial signing of the marriage certificate. as David and Little Journey, we are honored to have with us in the state Magunin.
Thank you, ma'am. To the honorable municipal officials of the municipality of Bravo Biluan, led by Mayor Margarita Y. Rubinos, Vice Mayor Attorney Jasmine G. Bali Campion, and SB members, our distinguished guests, Congressman Bing Blandamillo, Vice Governor Clarence Yobay, represented by Sir Edwin Kaubat, Mr. Lorenzo Y. Rubinos, the President and CEO of EYR Group of Companies, Sir Frederick Rubinos, Sir Raymond M. Alimon, the CEO of Farmers Choice Agri Trading, Barangay Captains present today, Mr. Barangay Captain Gregorio Pacola, department heads, and I would like to especially mention the dedicated personnel of the local civil district office, and most especially to our dear co-hosts. Good day, everyone. Mayong buntag katong tanan. It is a great privilege for the Philippine Statistics Authority to be part of this meaningful kasalan ng bayan. Today, we celebrate not only love and commitment, but also the importance na masiguro nato ang matag kasal na kasunod sa balaod o properly recorded sa ato ang civil registry. Marriage is one of the most important events in a person's life. It establishes a legal relationship between spouses, engaged rights and obligations recognized and protected by the state. So thus, it is essential that every marriage makakomply siya sa mga requirements na nakalakid sa tuwang Family Code of the Philippines. The Family Code of the Philippines provides the essential and formal requisites of marriage. First, the essential requisite is the legal capacity of contracting parties. So dapat lalaki o babae o legal age as well. Kanawa, dapat consent is freely given. Wala ba ipopost sa inyo ano? Freely given ang iyong consent sa pagpakasal in the presence of our solemnizing officer. The decision to marry must be voluntary and free from force, intimidation, and undue influence. So that should be from the heart, voluntary, walay nagpugos sa iyong pagpakasal. The second requisite is the formal requisite. This includes the authority of our solemnizing officer. Mayor Rubinos, as your mayor, has the authority given to her as mayor to solemnize marriage. A valid marriage license. I ask Sir June that all of you have marriage license. And a marriage ceremony is what we are doing today is a form of marriage ceremony in which you personally prepare in the presence of the solemnizing officer and the witnesses around us today that you take each other as husband and wife. Hindi ko magkabalibad na nag-witness na katao. Kanyang mga requirements is not just simply legal formalities. These serve as the safeguards to ensure that marriage is entered freely, responsibly, and in full recognition of its consequences. Now, at this point, I would like to recognize the vital role of the local service office paid by NCR Leonardo Daladahay Jr., which serves as the frontline government office in the registration of vital events at the local level. The LCRO is an important in ensuring that important life event of a person like birth, marriage, and death will be documented. Through proper civil registration, our government will be able to maintain reliable vital statistics that are important basis for planning programs, allocating resources, and delivering public services and developing policies that respond to the needs of the community. At this part of the Philippine Statistics Authority